In the disease classification for a certain category of diseases, there are specific families of remedies which are more indicated. So for example, here I have an acute case of a child with an ear infection who got a cold riding in a car with the open window and wet hair. So this is an acute incident, and you should put emphasis on the plants, the animals, and the nosodes. So you have here the list of remedies, and to highlight, for example, the plants, you open here the list of families, then you start to type plants, and the plants are here 3 times, one of Cronquist, Dahlgren, I don't know who uses that, and APG2. So this is my test version, and there are still often 2 of the same family, so ignore that. So let's say we use here the old classification system of Cronquist. I right mouse click on it, and I can do here limit the analysis to a certain family, but that's not useful if you want to combine 2 or 3 groups. So I select here highlight this family in the analysis. I left click on it, and you see that the plants are highlighted. So the plant remedies. Now if you want to highlight also animals, I type here animals, and I see here the group animals. I right mouse click on it and also select highlight this family in the analysis, and also the animal remedies are highlighted here, for example, lachesis. Now if you want to highlight also the nosodes, but you can easily recognize them, but you can do that also. I type here nosodes, and I right mouse click on it, and I say highlight this family in the analysis, and then also the nosodes are highlighted. If I double click here in the tab, I have a more wider screen. So in that way you can highlight any category, any family or combination of families. There are more methods, of course. You can also use here the maps of Will Taylor, but let's keep it simple. This is an easy way to highlight 1 or more families in the analysis when you use here the list of families or the table of contents of families. Now if you want to remove this highlight, you can use right mouse click and say unhighlight all remedies and families, and it's gone. Now if you want to limit to only 1 family, you can also use here, so let's say I want, for example, the minerals. I do minerals, and I do right mouse click and I say limit the analysis to the selected family. Then all the other remedies are removed which are not a mineral or chemical, and you see that a symptom is added here to a clipboard. And you see here at the bottom 103 remedies remain. And if you want to remove this limitation, you click on that symptom and you remove it. Right mouse click, I say delete. I say yes, and now I have here again 259 remedies in the analysis. So that's an easy way to highlight a certain family or 2 or 3 families in the analysis.